Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by CenterFX, your reliable partner in trading.
On Tuesday, Amazon stock closed at $220.71, down 3% from the previous session amid broad tech sector weakness and cautious positioning ahead of key macroeconomic data later in the week. The German stock market index closed at 23,611 euros on Tuesday, reversing yesterday's decrease as traders assessed a batch of economic data from major economies. U.S. natural gas futures traded at around $2.85 on Wednesday, the lowest in over 4 weeks, due to abundant gas in storage and forecasts for milder weather reducing near-term demand. The Canadian dollar traded above 1.38 per US dollar, approaching September highs after losing ground, following fresh domestic data and recalibrated policy expectations that put a floor under the currency. Bitcoin dropped to around $112,000 on Wednesday, driven by signs of a cycle exhaustion and a wave of long position liquidations totaling over $2 billion, as bearish on-chain metrics signaled fading bullish conviction. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release August data on new home sales, following a 0.6% decline in July. Looking ahead to tomorrow. At 12:30 p.m., durable goods orders for August are due, after a sharp drop of 2.8% in July. Also at 12:30 p.m., the U.S. GDP growth rate is expected to show improvement, following a minus 0.5% contraction in the first quarter of 2025.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CenterFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.